EPS panel systems, redefining fast, smart, and sustainable wall construction. EPS panels are precision cut in controlled factory conditions and delivered to site where they are safely stacked and prepared for installation. In marking and setting out, wall lines are accurately marked on the prepared floor. Holes are drilled to fix the dowel rebars securely as per the layout. The team is guided through the drawings, lifting plan. Moving to panel lifting and erection, lightweight EPS panels are carefully lifted and positioned. Chemical grout is applied to secure the dowel rebars, and the panels are aligned, plumb leveled, and tied firmly in place. For electrical and plumbing services, fixture points are marked, and grooves are created using a hot torch. Conduits and pipelines are neatly embedded into the panel without affecting the structure. Then comes shotcrete mix preparation, where cement, aggregates, water, and admixtures are blended to produce a high-quality M25 shotcrete mix. During shotcrete plastering, the mix is sprayed in controlled layers, forming a strong, monolithic wall with excellent strength and finish. This is followed by surface finishing, where the shotcreted surface is leveled and smoothened to achieve a clean, uniform look. Finally, paint finish completes the wall, with textures and colors applied as per the architect's design vision. Expanded polystyrene panels are lightweight, thermally insulated, cost-efficient, time-efficient, and environmentally friendly, making them a smart choice for modern construction. U-Sphere, towards integrated future.